and it's a two-seater. The pilot sits here. It had a funny, I think we turned the seat around. It had a funny, it had a tail wheel back here, and then it had the main gear up here. You know, like that. There's only 8 of them ever made.
It's definitely different than anything I ever seen.
I'm trying to think. Mine is 4. It's still left the barrel, and it's.
Oh, you have one of these?
Yeah.
It's still flyable?
No, it's wrecked up there, the barrel. It's been up there for...
They were made by Boeing?
Yeah, Boeing in Wichita. One of the mechanics in here is rebuilding this. He's got the wings in there, putting it together.
Well, rebuilding yours?
No, this one.
He got a long way to go then, hadn't he? This wasn't military with a number like that, though, was it?
Well, it was military, but Fish and Wildlife brought these up here. The early 50s, I guess. They got them surplus.
Were they observation plane? What they were, or what?
Yeah.
They had sort of like that push-pull Cessna.
Well, yeah, kind of like that, but
I mean the wing configuration, tail boom.
Yeah, but it only had one engine.
Yeah, I realized that obvious. It only had one engine on it. The way that
the wings were quick detachable wings here. Control cables snap loose when these bolts were quick detach.
For storage, or
no, you could put it inside a. I think even a C-47 or a DC-4, something like that, you could slide it in there.
Well, they were made strictly to be airlifted by a larger aircraft.
Yeah, it's kind of a neat deal.
Dispatch 604-1043.
There's another down behind the Clarion back by Lake Spinard there.
Is that one back there?
Yeah, that's the same thing.
Okay, I saw that, but I never looked at it all that close.
A couple of them back there, I think.
Although it's been sitting there for the last 12 years or more, I know.
Yeah, Norm Brunquist bought those. He got those in the Goose from Fish and Wildlife. This thing wasn't hurt hardly at all when it crashed over there years ago. And a little dirt strip over by Cold Creek. She said, but snow load with most of this heavy snow.
Really?
Broke it all apart. Hunters would come along and take pot shots at it.
Boeing. How'd that go again? Let me ask you one more thing. Boeing
YL-15.
YL-15. This is the same aircraft as the one that is in pieces that Air Helicopter, like 4770 Charlie, and one at Air 4777 Charlie.